I'm going to show you how you can download an indicator and use it on your PC. So the indicators that we host in Trading Signals are for use on your MetaTrader 5 or 4 for PC, your computer. So the first thing you want to do is open Trading Signals. Once you're in the app, you can find the indicators in the shop. So the shop contains indicators, books, and strategies. Some of them are free and others are paid. Paid content you only buy once and you're able to consume it anytime you feel like without having to pay again. Yeah, so let's just download a free indicator for this tutorial. So you can always read through to know how to use the particular indicator. This is very important. You can also look at the sample images attached to each indicator just to see how it works and what's going on in the indicator. So it's just after you're done reading, you scroll down to find the download button. So once you hit the download button, the indicator will start downloading and it will show you download success. So the downloaded file is stored in the device download folder. So let's go and access this downloaded file now that the download is done. So we go to downloads folder using any file manager. Open your favorite file manager. I'm going to use ES File Explorer. It's my favorite of all time. So go to internal storage and go to your downloads folder. You should be able to see your download right there. Yeah, so here are my downloads. This is the download that we just made. So you can transfer this to your PC by connecting your device with a USB to your computer and opening the downloads folder. So once you put it on your PC, you should be able to extract this using WinRAR or any other extraction tool that you have on your PC. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how we actually extract and install the indicator to MetaTrader 5 on the computer.